What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for opening this video. I just want to show you guys how you can trade support and resistance. Okay, so firstly I want us to first start with support. So support is a level in the market where market rejects and is pushed up, right? So it is a price level where market will come down on that price level, and then it will be pushed up as it's rejecting. It's creating a low right there. All right, as you can see, we have another example here. Market came down here, created a low because this was a level of support. All right, it did the same thing here, came down here, and it was pushed up, creating a new low, and then it went up. Right, so these are level of support. We have a level of support here, level of support right here as well. And then resistance is the opposite of support, right? We have a level of resistance right here, level of resistance right here, because market came up here, and then it rejected and it was pushed down, creating a high. All right, and then we have another one right here. As you can see, market came up and then it created a high, it was pushed down. Level of resistance, level of resistance, level of resistance. We have plenty, as you guys can see. So how do you trade these levels for profits? You will want to first find the direction of the market. For example, a downtrend. As you can see here, we have a downtrend, and it's clear and it's visible that it is a downtrend. And on a downtrend, what you are looking for selling opportunities instead of buying. Right, you are looking for selling opportunities. We will make use of the resistance, both the resistance and the support, but we will still be looking for selling opportunities because it's a downtrend and we want to go with the trend. We want to be a part of the trend, not against the trend. So let's first start with the configuration of a resistance. We first have our resistance level right here, as you guys can see, and then market moves down. So the key is to find visible, obvious resistance and support levels, so that everyone who's trading is also looking at them and is looking for opportunities on those levels, and is obvious, right? So then right here the market comes down and creates a level of support. So what the market has done here is it has created a level of resistance, which is also a high, and then it came down here creating a level of support, which is also a low. So then as the market continues to play around, we have a level of support here, and then it comes up here creating a new level of resistance. As the market is creating a new level of resistance, it is pushed down, so it comes down to this level of support. All right, so now what we have here, we have a configured level of support and then a configured level of resistance. So as the market is pushed down to this level of support, you are expecting here to buy. All right, but because this is a downtrend when we are only looking for selling opportunities, we have in mind that the market will obviously move to the downside, but what we will do here is we will scalp. So then by studying and understanding candlesticks, you will know that this is a major buying opportunity right here, because we see rejection, and so this is a support level, configured support level. You buy, and then your take profit will be on the resistance level. So now as the market has headed to the resistance level, our configured resistance level, we are looking for a selling opportunity now. And then we get our selling opportunity. What we do is we sell, right? So you sell up until the support level. So because this is a downtrend again, the best thing for you to do is to avoid placing these trades, especially buying opportunities on a downtrend. All right, so take your profits and just wait until the market continue with the trend. So as the market continues with the trend here, we see that it did break out, creating a new level of support now. Okay, so now these will not be considered, because remember, we are moving along with the trend. We are expecting the market to just continue to drop. So now we have a new level of support here that has been configured. And then what we will wait for the market to do is we will wait for the market to come back to this new level of support, and then because it has been broken, it will no longer be respected as a support, but it will react as a resistance. Okay, because what support and resistance does is, remember, support can turn into resistance, right? But only after a breakout. All right, so it can be support here, and then we have a breakout, and then market will react as a resistance on this level. Okay, so always keep that in mind. This new level of support, we have a breakout, and then market respects this level as a resistance. And then when you understand also again, and you know how to read candlesticks, you will look to sell on this level. All right, remember, selling on a downtrend is a very good opportunity. So when you find opportunities like this, like selling opportunities, you can be able to have confidence in your trading and also see that it's profitable moving with the trend. You're supposed to move with the trend. All right, so that is how you can trade support and resistance. If the market is on a downtrend, look for selling opportunities. Okay, wait for the market to configure a level of resistance. For example, we configured our level of resistance right here, and then when it came up here for the second time, we have to sell. All right, and then as you guys can see that we now have a level of support here. Look at this. We had a level of support here. The market breaks out here. And then as it breaks out, it comes back here, and then it respects this level as a resistance. It's no longer respecting it as a support from this rejection here, but it's now respecting it as a resistance because of this breakout. And then what you want to do is you want to sell. Do you see these opportunities? So as you move along with the trend, you understand that it is very profitable to move with the trend. And yeah, so thank you guys for opening this video.